guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today, we'll be looking at how to play that ever-popular Coffin dance meme tune, otherwise known as Astronomia, on a diatonic harmonica. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Breathe in through 6 twice. Blow into 8. Breathe in through 8. And blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, breathe in through 7 3 times. Breathe in through 8. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 7. And breathe in through 6 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 7. Breathe in through 7. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 7. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 6 twice. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 7. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 7. And blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, blow into 4 4 times. Blow into 5 4 times. Breathe in through 4 4 times. And blow into 6 4 times. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Phrase 5, breathe in through 6 4 times. Breathe in through 6 another 4 times. And breathe in through 6 another 4 times. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, breathe in through 8. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 7. And blow into 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember guys, if you're the kind of person who prefers learning the harmonica with tabs, you can click on the link in the description below to my tabs page, where I'm constantly adding tabs just for you and everybody else who wants tabs. Till next time, stay tuned.
Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.